Congratulations on your wedding day, Alfred and Shara.
Happy wedding day, Tito Alfred and Shara! Congratulations! Wish you all the best and we love you!
Hello, Shara and Alfred. Congratulations sa inyong
Pag-iisang dibdib.
pag-iisang dibdib. Nawa, pagpalain kayo ng may kapal, laging magmamahalan, magsusunuran, at kung ano man ang maging problema ninyo, narito kami ng iyong Tito Ginny.
Oh, congratulations. Tulad ng sinabi na yung tita, sana magsama lagi kayo ng maayos at anuman ang problema ay magpasensyahan. Kaunting problema, huwag niyang palalakihin. At lagi niyong iisipin ang pagmamahalan yung dalawa. Inuulit ko, congratulations
Congrats.
sa inyong nalalapit na pag-iisang dibdib.
Narito kami lagi.
Narito kami
Handang
lagi.
gumabay. Kung ano man ang maging problema ninyo.
Okay?
Okay, mag-iingat kayo
Ingat
dyan.
kayong palagi. Huwag kakalimutan ng pasalubong sa pizza. Joke.
Hi, good day, good morning, or good evening, or good afternoon. But anyway, it's 2:30 in the afternoon here in New York. And now, I'm wishing you all the best in your life, that you are going to come to have another person in your life. This journey is the beginning of your new life, so I am praying that you will put God first in the middle of your life right now, most especially that you're going to have another person in your lives. But most of all, I'm wishing you all the best. And actually, it's unexpected. I didn't know that you are going to get married in this month. But anyway, I was thinking before that going to UAE is one on my bucket list. But not right now because I have other things that I'm going to. But anyway, I'm so happy for you and wishing you all the best. And most of all, with your new life and with your wife gonna be, and this is the beginning of your new life. So I am quite speechless, but anyway, I'm wishing you all the best, and all of us greeting you happy wedding, congratulations, and may the best in your life will come. Okay, I love you very, very much. Greetings from me. Okay, bye.
Hello, Alfred and Shara! Congratulations on your wedding! Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness!
Shara and Alfred, congratulations sa inyong wedding. Isa lang ang masasabi ko, humayo kayo at pagpakarami. Congratulations! Best wishes sa inyong dalawa.
Congratulations kay Alfred and Shara. May your marriage be full of joy, love, and adventure. May God be the center of your relationship. Love all the way from London.